This exclusive tour reveals two extraordinary icons of speed and craft, the Rimac Nevera and the Dassault Falcon 8X. Inside the Nevera, carbon fiber weave glows under ambient light as satin leather clads the cabin and every switch whispers precision. Meanwhile, the Falcon 8X offers a cabin that feels like a private boulevard of silk, with bespoke veneers and a whisper-quiet cabin. The pair are showcased in a private hangar where technicians demonstrate adaptive aerodynamics on the car and reconfigurable cabin layouts in the jet. Viewers glimpse the behind-the-scenes ritual of calibration, from tire temperature reads to jet performance profiles, illustrating opulence without ostentation.